Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on Facebook post. First of all, what you have to do is open your Facebook application and then click on the profile icon on the top right corner and then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Now here you have to scroll down and find an option of linked accounts. Simply select linked accounts. Here you have to select WhatsApp. Type in your WhatsApp number, send code to WhatsApp. Now you will receive a WhatsApp code. All you have to do is copy that code and paste on this section. As you can see, your accounts are now connected. Click on done. Now you have to disable show WhatsApp number on page so people cannot see your number. Add WhatsApp button to your page. You can connect or remove that option as well. Then you have to go back, go to the post section. As you can see, I have a new option called Get WhatsApp Messages. They will land on my inbox. So that's simply how you can add WhatsApp button on Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.